Hello my dear students, welcome to my second video lecture on literary forms. In my first video, we have studied essay. So in this video, we are going to study or discuss the second literary form, that is novel. So now let us see the general definition of novel. So here, a novel is a long narrative work of fiction with some realism or reality. So here it means that a novel is a long work, it's a lengthy work which is a mixture of imagination and reality. ಸೊ ನಾವೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಆ ವರ್ಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ಪನಿಕ ಕಥೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸತ್ಯ ಘಟನೆಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ನಾವೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ the origin or the meaning of novel. The word novel is derived from the Italian word novella, which means it's new. And this kind of a form is very similar to short story, but it is bigger or lengthy than short story. Now, let us see what is the background of novel, or how and when the novel came into English literature. So here, first time novel came into existence in the 18th century. So there is a writer called Samuel Richardson. He is the first English novelist, and his work called Pamela, this is the first English novel which is written by Samuel Richardson. So after him, there are some of his friends who is also given some contribution towards the English novelists. So those are considered as four pillars of English novels. So let us see who are those. Number one is Samuel Richardson. Two, Henry Fielding. Third one is Tobias Smollett, and the fourth one is Lawrence Stern. So apart from these four major English novelists, so after them there are also some other popular novelists. The list here I have given: Oliver Goldsmith, Sir Walter Scott, Charles Dickens, William Thackeray, Thomas Hardy, E.M. Forster, Henry James, and George Orwell, etc. Now let us see what are the major elements or the features of novels. So there are 7 major features of novels. The first element is characters. So character is the significant one. Without character you cannot write any kind of novel. So character must be there. The second element is dialogues. So without dialogues, the novel cannot be seem interesting. Then the third one is a novel must have setting. Setting means the place, and even it has plot. So here plot means story. So every novel has a different story. Even the fifth one is climax. Sixth one, conflict. Conflict means jagala or any kind of struggle. Struggle must be there. And the seventh one is solution to that problem or conflict. Now let us see what are the types of novels. The first one is realistic novels. So realistic novels, the name itself suggests that The novel which is real, which is related to real life of a person, that is called as realistic novel. The second one is picaresque novel. So this novel is related to adventure. The third one is historical novel, which is related to history or the past record of a particular person. The fourth type of novel is epistolary novel. So epistolary novel means the novel which is written in the form of letters and which is published in series of documents. Fifth one is Bildungsroman. So Bildungsroman means which includes some of the autobiographical elements. So it means that development of protagonists' mind, spirit and character from childhood to adulthood. The sixth one is Gothic novel, which is related to, which means terror, mystery, horror, thriller and death. Seventh one is autobiographical novel. So autobiographical means this novel should be based on the life of the author. It means the author writes the story of his own life. That kind of novel will be called as an autobiographical novel. The last type in novel is detective novel or fiction. So this form of novel is related to crime fiction, which includes murder. So this is all about the second form called novel. So please watch this video attentively, and if you have any kind of queries, doubts, you can contact me or you can approach me. Thank you.